things before our project. We're going to make a game first out of recycled things. So you'll need paper from your recycling bin, or if you want to try an index card. The first one I do, I'm going to do with an index card. And then a few paper clips. At least one, but probably a few more than one. Alright, so we're going to make a copter. So you see the seeds fly off the trees and spin as they fall down. We're going to do that. Is about halfway between here and here. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut about halfway. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to guess how far is it from here to here, and we're going to cut about halfway. Okay. Now we're going to take those places that we just cut and we're going to fold into the middle. And fold into the middle. And then we have this shape. One of these goes down. One of these goes forwards this way. And try to make them straight. Crease that fold a little bit. So there's your copter blades. Now fold this part up at the bottom. And it'll spin a little bit now, but if you add a paper clip, then you will get a better spin. Let's see if I can get one. Oh, I don't think you're going to be able to see it on camera. But drop it, and you should see it spin as it hits the ground. So you can experiment with that one. Try adding another paper clip and see what happens. Then you take that scrap paper that you had, and we're going to try to make a rectangle out of the scrap paper. So just going to lay it on the table and fold it so that it makes a rectangle. And I'm going to do mine a little bit narrower than the other one. And then I'm just going to cut along that fold. And decide how tall I want my rectangle to be. I want to make this one pretty tall. Again, same steps. We fold it in half. And we estimate where's halfway between here and here. And use our scissors to cut. And mine are definitely not even this time. So now we're going to cut halfway between here and here. And halfway between here and here. Fold. And fold. Fold one down, the other one that way. And again, we're going to fold this bottom up a little bit and attach a paper clip. And see how many paper clips you need to add to make it work right. I think I'm going to try 3 and see what happens. That may be too many. Okay, once you have several copters that fly, then it's time for the game. So I have a bowl on the floor over here. You can see, oh, there we go. So we're going to try throwing, standing a little bit away from the bowl and throwing it and seeing if you can get it to land in the bowl. I haven't had good luck with this yet this morning, but the cats liked the game a lot. So here we go. Make sure that's folded down. Go over a little further. Yay, I got 1. And 2. For your game, I didn't have any newspaper here today, but I thought you could lay a newspaper on the floor and put your bowl in the middle of the newspaper, and you could get 1 point if it lands on the newspaper and 2 points if it lands in the bowl. And you could have a contest with your mom or dad and see who could get the most points or who could get to 10 first. So, hope you have fun with that this morning. Take care. See you soon. Bye.